Well, I just slept for about 9.5 hours to make up for the amazing 14-hour journey to Vegas, Brizzy. And this is what I found. It's Buddy. I made a new buddy. His name is also Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Good day, Brizzy.
Good day.
You can hear the morning traffic and the morning birds.
Good day, mate.
Going for a morning walk.
Have you noticed that there are no picnic tables here?
No.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Yeah, do you know why?
Because Buddy would eat them? Or eat
Yeah,
at
because
them?
this is like a family spot, like you know, it's really.
Yeah, what kind of tree is that big one?
Do you know what kind of tree they are?
Oh, gum tree.
I know there are trees that for the eucalyptus tree. No, it isn't one.
Gum tree.
It's a gum tree?
Gum leaf tree. That's why koalas
you
love
have the
eating
book,
those
right?
leaves.
Oh, I thought they like eucalyptus.
Yeah. Oh, do you hear that?
Yeah.
I don't see that sound.
They're way up in there. That's why they're in the tree.
Look at that.
It's gum nut tree. It's my friend's favorite type of tree because koalas are there, and her favorite animal used to be a koala, but now it's a capybara.
Oh yeah, capybara. Yeah, that's
Oh.
South America.
You have South American influence now. I wonder where that came from.
Oh, yeah, I was looking for this. Really, you can score here. You have a basket there? Oh, yes, yes. Oh, look. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I love those birds. Those are my favorite. You can see everywhere. Oh.
They look like seagulls to me.
But one of you is an emu.
See, there's another bird
Yes.
across the city. You can hear it over there somewhere.
Yes.
They're trying to go on a... Are you setting up a date? See, he said yes.
There's a bird right there.
Oh, Australia has such interesting wildlife.
Yes.
Plastic birds and real birds.
Main star of the show.
Yeah, main star of the show. That's right.
I'm so amazing because I'm